Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So today I have another simple and amazing edit tutorial for you. I'll be showing you how to mask or remove unwanted objects from a photo. So if that is something you're interested in, stick around. So the first thing you want to do is to launch CapCut and add your image, after which you're going to delete the end screen. Ensure that you do that. Then you're going to add an overlay of the same image, after which you're going to zoom it to fit the first image, after which you would want to scroll across until you see mask, which is right beside enhance. Then you would click on the shape that you want. So for me personally, I'm going to be using a rectangle because I'm trying to remove one of the 3 picture frames in the image. So after I have gotten the area that I want, I would simply click on the check mark and zoom to cover the image. So you can just play around with it until you are satisfied or until you feel comfortable enough with the work that you have done, and that's pretty much it. So that's the end of the video. If you guys found this tutorial useful or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.